Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I see you all are good and excited. First of all, I would like to thank all my audience and honorable judges for giving me this opportunity to tell me about something mobile phone. I think everyone knows what is mobile phone. It is a great invention for our whole world. It's invented in April 3, 1973 by Martin Cooper. He is a researcher of Motorola company. So in my opinion, mobile phone have both of many advantage and disadvantage. So I first to talk something about of mobile advantage of mobile. Mobile phone is essential for our communication, for our information access, for our entertainment, and convenience for our work and tasks, and videography, photography, and it's have a lots of features like reminder, alarms, and calendars, lots also. But now I talk. Now I explain what is that disadvantage of mobile. There are lots of disadvantages in mobile phone like cyberbullying, hacking, uh, high radiation, high frequency, and I think no one should use of mobile phone before age of 18. But in our country, when a child doesn't eat, we is trying to feed him to feed him to by showing mobile phone, and this is the most problem in our country. For this reason, the child very fastly what is mobile phone. They're getting addicted in this mobile phone, and I think it's the most dangerous for our next generation, for our whole world, for our nation. Thank you so much. That's all about my today's topic, and thank you again.